Marketing can be very time consuming. But what if you could automate many of those tasks? That's where AI tools come in. They can handle many marketing activities such as scheduling social media posts, email campaigns, and even targeting ads. This means you don't have to manually do these tasks every day, saving you valuable time and effort. Let me give you an easy example. Imagine you want to post regularly on social media, but struggle to find the time. An AI tool can help by scheduling posts for you. It can also analyze when your audience is most active and suggest content ideas. This way, you stay engaged with your followers without the daily hassle. Here are 3 key points to remember about automating marketing with AI. 1. Efficiency. AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on more strategic activities. 2. Optimization. These tools can analyze data to determine the best times to post and the most engaging content, maximizing your marketing efforts. And 3. Scalability. With AI, you can easily scale your marketing campaigns without increasing your workload. For those interested in diving deeper into this topic, I recommend the book AI for Marketing and Product Innovation by A.K. Pradeep. Additionally, tools like HubSpot and GoHighLevel offer valuable insights into how AI is transforming marketing. Leveraging AI for your marketing campaigns can save time and achieve better results. So why not explore AI tools today and see how they can transform your marketing strategy?